Welcome to today's lesson on how to overcome fear or anxiety. Fear and anxiety are common emotions that we all experience at some point in our lives. They can be triggered by many things, such as a stressful situation, a phobia, or even a traumatic event. But there are ways to manage and overcome these emotions, so let's dive into some strategies that can help. First, it's important to understand that fear and anxiety are normal responses to perceived threats. They are part of our survival instincts and are designed to keep us safe. However, sometimes these responses can become overwhelming and interfere with our daily lives. That's when we need to take action and learn how to manage them. One strategy that can help is to practice relaxation techniques. When we're anxious or afraid, our bodies go into fight or flight mode, which can cause physical symptoms like rapid heartbeat, shallow breathing, and tense muscles. By practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or mindfulness meditation, we can calm our bodies and minds and reduce these symptoms. Another strategy is to challenge our negative thoughts. Fear and anxiety often stem from negative thoughts or beliefs about ourselves or the situation we're in. By identifying these thoughts and questioning their validity, we can change our perspective and reduce our anxiety. For example, if you're afraid of public speaking, you might have the negative thought, "I'll embarrass myself in front of everyone." But if you challenge that thought by asking, "Is that really true? Have I ever embarrassed myself in the past?" you might realize that your fear is based on an unrealistic belief. A third strategy is to gradually expose yourself to the thing you're afraid of. This is called exposure therapy, and it can be a highly effective way to overcome phobias or anxiety disorders. By gradually exposing yourself to the feared situation, you can learn that it's not as dangerous as you thought and build up your confidence and resilience. Finally, it's important to seek professional help if your fear or anxiety is interfering with your daily life. A mental health professional can provide you with additional strategies and support to manage your emotions. To summarize, there are several strategies for overcoming fear or anxiety. Practice relaxation techniques. Challenge negative thoughts. Gradually expose yourself to the feared situation. Seek professional help if necessary. Remember, managing fear and anxiety takes practice and patience. But with the right strategies and support, you can learn to overcome these emotions and live a fulfilling life. Thank you for watching this video on how to overcome fear and anxiety. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Remember, fear and anxiety are normal emotions, and it's okay to feel them. But it's also important to learn how to manage them, so they don't control your life. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please like and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll be notified of our latest videos and help us reach more people with our message. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.